What if I told you? One explosion was so powerful, it changed the weather of the entire planet? In 1815, a single volcano didn't just erupt, it rewrote history. This is the story of Mount Tambora, and the year the world nearly froze. Located on a quiet Indonesian island, Mount Tambora looked harmless, but beneath it, pressure had been building for centuries. No one knew it yet, but this would become the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history. On April 10, 1815, Tambora exploded. Not just once, but in a series of blasts heard over 2,000 kilometers away. The sound was mistaken for cannon fire. Armies were put on alert. Ash shot 40 kilometers into the sky. The explosion was so violent, it reduced the entire mountain by over 1,500 meters. Nearby villages were wiped out instantly. Tsunamis crashed into nearby islands. The sky turned black for days. Even sunlight couldn't break through. Over 70,000 people died, many not from the blast, but from what came next. The eruption sent massive amounts of ash and sulfur gas into the atmosphere. This created a global shield, blocking sunlight. Temperatures dropped across the world, and soon, the effects became impossible to ignore. 1816 became known as the year without a summer. Snow fell in June, in parts of North America and Europe. Crops failed. Food became scarce. Famine spread across continents. Riots broke out as people struggled to survive. But out of this darkness came strange consequences. The cold, gloomy weather forced people indoors. During this time, a young writer named Mary Shelley wrote a story inspired by the eerie atmosphere. That story became famously known as Frankenstein. This disaster helped scientists understand something crucial: that a single natural event could change the entire planet's climate. It was one of the first times humans realized how fragile Earth's balance really is. Mount Tambora didn't just destroy a region. It changed the world, altered weather, triggered famine, and even inspired literature. And it leaves us with one chilling question. What would happen if something like this happened again? Do like and subscribe for more.